The pressure recirculation system works by moving solution from the tank to the three-way valve on the back of the sprayer. Based on the settings from the display, the three-way valve can be set to spray mode or recirc mode.
In spray mode, every section of the pipe is now end-fed instead of center-fed, and there are 2 feed lines for spraying. A quarter of the solution flows to the left of the boom, and a quarter of the solution flows to the right of the boom.
The remaining half of the solution goes through an enlarged strainer on the center boom, where the solution is divided into equal parts, then pushed out to the left and right booms.
In recirculation mode, the three-way valve is closed. Solution from the tank is equally pushed out to each side of the boom through the top feed lines. The solution goes in one end and out the other.
Product Reclaim comes with the Pressure Recirculation Performance Upgrade Kit on sprayers with the automated solution command system and ExactApply.
Product Reclaim blows air into the plumbing to push the solution back into the tank.